Hello everyone, welcome back to the science class of class 5th. Today we will cover the topics such as crops, agriculture, irrigation, types of crops, tips for growing healthy crops and crop. Let us start. What is crops? Yes, crops means that the plants that are grown in large quantities. Suppose a rice cultivation. See here what has happened here. Rice cultivation has taken place. So the plants are cultivated in the large quantities. So this means crops. Okay. Now I will discuss about what do you mean by agriculture. Agriculture. Agriculture is the practice of growing the plants. Practice of growing the plants in large quantities for food or other other commercial use. Okay. So agriculture means the practice of growing the plants in large quantities for what? For food or other commercial use. See here we have studied about crops. Crops means that the plants that are grown in large quantities, and this practice of growing the plants in large quantities is agriculture. Understood? Now what is irrigation? Irrigation means Sinchai in Hindi. It means supplying the plants with water. Supplying the plants with water through the various means such as tube wells or any other sources of water. It can be also there. So irrigation means supplying the plants with adequate amount of water with various sources of water. Understood? Now what is our next topic? Our next topic is types of crops. So let's start types of crops. Types of crops. We have already studied in our previous classes that there are two types of crops. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown in summer. And Rabi crops are grown in winter season. So this is the one point of difference between Kharif crop and Rabi crop also. So what can be another example of this? We can quote examples also. Examples of Kharif crops. Example: rice, wheat, bajra, etc. Okay. What are the examples of Rabi crops? Example of Rabi crops: radish, carrot, cabbage, etc. So this was all about types of crops. Kharif crops means the crops that are grown in the summer season. Example: rice, wheat, bajra, etc. And Rabi crops means that the crops that are grown in the winter season. Example of Rabi crops are radish, carrot, cabbage. It can be cauliflower also, etc. Okay. Now what is the next topic? Our next topic is tips for growing healthy crops. So let us start. Tips for growing healthy plants. So what can be the tips? One tip is that first of all we will give adequate amount of water. We will give it. Okay. Next is that seed. The seed to be sown must be of good quality. Okay. and the seed must be scattered, not very close to each other, not very close to each other. They must be scattered far away from each other. So this was all about tips. See, water you have to give it regularly. Seed you have to select of good quality. They must be sown, that is, they must be scattered not very close to each other. They must be scattered far away from each other. And the next thing is that manure and fertilizer must be added. Manures and fertilizers must be added. Okay, they must be added, and excess must be avoided. Excess of fertilizers and manures must be avoided. And next thing, what you can do, you can also do weeding. Weeding means removal of unwanted plants. This will help in the proper growth of the plants. Okay, so this was all about the tips for growing healthy plants. First of all, water will be given in a proper quantity. Seeds that are to be sown, they must be of good quality. They must be scattered not very close to each other, but they must be scattered far away from each other. Manure and fertilizer must be added, and excess must be avoided. Weeding means that the extra plants which have grown must be taken out from there. So this was all about today. Thank you everyone.